Hey, so how's it going? Right now, we're going to go over how to do the bulk upload. A lot of people want to know how to upload the most efficient way. Right now, we have the bulk upload. You can upload all the products at once. So we're going to start by doing the iPhone. You need to go to your products tab and hit models. Then let's just type in iPhone. So just by doing this, you're going to have all of the iPhones on the site pop up at once, and you can easily just export it like this. Once you export it, it's going to come into a CSV file, and then you could deduct 15%, 20%, 20% from the whole site, and not from the whole site, but from the whole CSV sheet, and it'll look something like this. And once you're done subtracting what you want to subtract, you'll be able to download that CSV and re-import it directly back into the site just by pushing import and choosing the file. So that's the bulk upload function that we have on the site, just so you guys could upload your prices fastly and efficiently. If you have any more questions, just send us an email or reach out to us on Facebook. I hope this helped you scale just a little bit faster. Thank you.